The ocean is a world of breathtaking beauty, but beneath the shimmering surface, danger lurks in the most unexpected forms. Today, we are diving deep to uncover the secrets of the most venomous and hazardous creatures swimming in our seas. These aren't monsters from a movie, they're real, and knowing about them could save your life. First up, a creature that has ruined more beach days than we can count. The sea urchin. You'll find them in shallow waters and coral reefs all over the world, looking like spiky little landmines. Stepping on one is agony. Not just from the sharp spines that break off in your skin, but because some species are venomous. If you get unlucky, the first thing to do is carefully remove any visible spines and flush the wound with salt water, not fresh water. And believe it or not, these prickly defenders have a nemesis. The clever sea otter, which uses rocks to crack them open like a nut. Now, let's talk about a true master of camouflage, the stonefish. This fish doesn't hunt you, it just wants to be left alone, blending in perfectly with rocky sea. The problem is, you can easily step on it without ever seeing it. And that's when disaster strikes. Its back is lined with 13 spines loaded with one of the most potent venoms in the ocean. A single sting causes unimaginable pain, paralysis, and can lead to heart failure within minutes. It's so tough, it can even survive out of water for a full 24 hours. Drifting into the open water, we meet the infamous box jellyfish. It looks like an elegant, ghostly bell with long, flowing tentacles. But it's often called the world's most venomous marine animal. Those tentacles can stretch up to 10 feet and are covered in thousands of tiny stinging cells that fire venom simultaneously. The toxin attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells all at once. If stung, rinsing with vinegar is often recommended, but never use fresh water, it can make it worse. Get to a hospital immediately. Don't let size fool you, especially when it comes to the blue-ringed octopus. This tiny, almost cute creature is one of the deadliest animals on the planet. When it feels threatened, its skin flashes with vibrant, electric blue rings. It's a beautiful, but terrifying warning signal. Its venom is 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide and can paralyze a person in minutes, leading to respiratory failure. The scariest part? There is no end from tiny terrors to a colossal predator. Let's talk about the saltwater crocodile. While you might think of them in rivers, these giants are perfectly at home in the open ocean. They have special valves in their throats that allow them to hunt underwater without swallowing salt water. As ambush predators, they lie in wait in coastal shallows, making them a top-tier threat in tropical regions. You do not want to stumble upon one of these ancient reptiles. Now, for a moment of heartbreak. Meet the Vaquita, often called the panda of the sea for the dark rings around its eyes. This is the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal. There are possibly only 10 of them left in the entire world. They are incredibly shy, and their biggest threat isn't a predator, but us. They frequently get trapped and drown in illegal fishing nets. Let's travel to the Galapagos for a truly unique reptile, the Marine Iguana. This is the only lizard on Earth that forages for food in the sea, munching on underwater algae. To deal with all the salt it swallows, it has a bizarre and fascinating adaptation. It literally sneezes out concentrated salt crystals through special glands in its nose. It's a little gross, but totally brilliant. Back to the venomous list, we have the cone snail. It might look like a beautiful seashell you'd want to pick up, but don't. This snail is a surprisingly fast and deadly predator. It hunts with a tiny, harpoon-like tooth that shoots out to inject a paralyzing venom into its prey. For a human, a sting can cause blindness, paralysis, and stop your breathing. A pretty shell with a deadly secret. Next, we have a fish that forgot how to swim. The red handfish. This incredibly rare creature uses its fins, which look like little hands, to walk along the seabed in very specific parts of Tasmania. It's a quirky and wonderful example of evolution taking a different path. But its habitat is so small that it's critically endangered. Here's another prickly problem. The crown of thorns? Starfish. Covered in long, sharp, toxic spines, just brushing against one causes severe pain, nausea, and vomiting. But the real danger this creature poses is to the environment. It feeds on coral polyps, devouring huge sections of reef. On the Great Barrier Reef, these starfish are a major pest, capable of destroying entire ecosystems. Finally, the famous pufferfish. Everyone knows its classic defense, puffing up into a spiky ball when threatened. But the real danger is on the inside. Its organs contain tetrodotoxin, a poison so lethal it makes cyanide look tame. Despite this, it's considered a delicacy in Japan, known as fugu, but it can only be prepared by highly trained and certified chefs. One wrong cut could be the last meal you ever have. Interestingly, the only animal known to be immune to its poison is the shark. The ocean is an incredible place, full of wonder and mystery, but it demands our respect. These animals aren't evil, they're just trying to survive. So, the next time you're at the beach, remember these stories. Never touch marine life you can't identify. Wear protective footwear on rocky shores. And if you are ever stung or bitten, seek medical help immediately. Staying safe is the first step to truly appreciating the magic of the sea. Thanks for watching. And if you learned something new, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing world. See you next time.